Hello and good evening, everyone. I just want to take a few minutes tonight and share with you a quick Asian trade that I had using the market trend system. Working with the NMKLTrader community group and the market trend system has really changed my outlook on trading. Now, without further ado, let's just jump over here into this particular trade that I just took. Now, one thing you can see here is you can see where I got in. When I scroll over this arrow here, you see the arrow where we got in on the wick. And then when I scroll over this arrow, you can see where we got out. Exactly 40 ticks. That is what I use for my take profit, and I trade 2 contracts each time. Usually you get about $390 to $400 for that trade. Trading the Nasdaq 100 Emini futures utilizing the market trend system at NMKLTrader. Here is how this works. Now, buy on blue, sell on red. What we're doing is, this here is the micro trend. Okay, the micro trend changes more often than the macro trend, the bigger trend down here. So when we have an agreement, which happened right here on this candle, see, you see it flips to red down here, and we have red candles up here, we go ahead and take the trade. So I got in on this candle here, right here, and we took the trade and set a take profit of 40 ticks. Let me go ahead and measure that out for you real quick. Okay, somewhere right about there is where we got in. Let's take this down 40 ticks. Not 63, but we'll go back to 40. Let me just kind of show you that there. And get in there. One more. There we go. Okay. And you can see that pretty much when I scroll over when I hover over the blue arrow, you can see the tiny blue arrow, or you can see the little tiny notch there, which is right at 40 ticks. Okay, when I hover over the red arrow, you can see that the arrow depicting where I got in is right at the entry there of my measuring tool. Now, what this did is the market, we got in there, and about 2.5 minutes later, we're taking $400 profit. Actually, about 390. Okay, I'll even show it to you down here. Let's just bring this up, and you can see that I bagged $393 out of that single trade. Okay, pretty good stuff. That's why I really recommend that if you're thinking about trading the market trend system, get it now while you can. Right now it's an introductory price of $199, which is set to go up as momentum builds. Okay, it's a very, very simple trend trading system. We basically get in when we see an agreement and a color change. Buy on blue, sell on red. Also, you see my money flow indicator that I'm adding into this. Right now, I don't have it for the main system. You really don't need it. It's just going to be extra confirmation down the road. All right. So again, I'm really excited about this system. Now's the time to come on board. Now's the time to get in. This system will help you pass prop firms. It's also going to prop firm evaluation accounts. It's also going to help you grow your own personal accounts. It's that easy. It's profitable. It gives you results. And I can't wait to see you guys at NMKLTrader. All right, everybody. See you in the trade room.